It's just a short video to talk a little bit about end-of-year data review and try to explain that form I sent out recently. If you recall from our initial discussions back in October, for 3 meetings we went over reviewing different types of data here at Copper Basin High School. On this mind map, this is a result of that data input in different interviews and PLC discussions. We discovered 5 key areas here at Copper Basin High School, and one of those is data review. During our discussion of data review, we decided that time was needed to allow each teacher to develop his or her own way to assess data. And so throughout the year, what we did was decide to wait till the end of the year so that you guys could put that data together yourselves. Part of the reason for that delay, quite frankly, is not everyone knew how to put the data together and how to do ED versus non-ED. So this quick short form was developed as a result of those discussions, and how you put the data in, what data you use is your choice. As you can see from this illustration, over the course of, let's say, 9 weeks, I averaged scores 4 times, with the final score being the final exam. So that would be how I would use this form, and then once the form is complete, well, it's only a look at 1 year, you could perhaps see some trends. You could see perhaps some difference between ED and special ed or the remaining members of the class. This is a teacher data form for your use. Here's a look at an elementary school, comparing different rooms and scores. Assuming that these rooms are teachers covering the same subject, same age, etc., what trend can you see? Looks to me that in room 301, the quality and type of instruction is not as effective as in room 304, and perhaps in some collaborative work between those teachers is in order. So this is a look at a school where yours is just to look at your particular classes to see if there's a comparison. So what you need to do is you're just looking at your data, whatever data you might have, wherever it might come from. Look at the form as a tool, not as an evaluation of your effectiveness. We're looking to establish and to get some teacher-generated data together as a basis for what we're going to do next year. Please don't make this any harder than it is. There isn't anything we've done this year that's that difficult. The type of data, once again, and testing you may use will depend upon what department you're in and what your discipline in. Just take it easy. Just give it your best shot. If you can't and it's still confusing, we'll discuss it next week. Thank you.